Hi guys, live here from Bangkok, Thailand, and today let's take a first look at the brand new DMC CLS53, aka the CLS Class by AMG. Official name for this model is the C257. If I'm not wrong, please correct me in the comments as usual. Now the first wing that we've done was installed. It's a car in the UK and the owner was kind enough to send us some videos, so we should blend them in here right now. After that we're going to show you some close-up photos of the part. This first product was done in regular carbon fiber, but we think this would look really stunning if we would also make it in forged carbon. What do you think? The wing really complements the car, adds a little bit of downforce and stays in line with the original car design. Installation is rather simple. It goes onto the original rear trunk. You have to remove the little small spoiler if you have one. I do think that's a mandatory spoiler. All cars should have that, but you know what? Nothing is ever the same. So guys, that was it. A first look at the brand new DMC CLS53 aka C257 rear wing spoiler by DMC. Thank you very much to the customer who took this beautiful video for us. We really hope you liked this video. If you did like it, please hit it with a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you know the drill, hit it with a thumbs down. And in both cases, please leave us a comment what you liked or didn't like about it, so we can give you a better content in future. If you want to support us, you can subscribe to our channel and also hit that little bell icon to get notifications when we upload new videos. So let me say thank you one more time for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, DMC Life.